guys, what's up? Today I'll be showing you 2 rides that I've made, and you can see we've got a roller coaster and ghost train, so let's go to the ghost train. I won't be riding the ghost train because I always get stuck in it. Enter at your own, wait, let's start from here. So there's it all in. Enter at your own risk. You may die. And it says here, made by Minecraft Madness. Subscribe. So you'll play some Minecraft, but I always get stuck in it, so I'm not going to. Go around like this. And here you've got this. Boom. And then it says here, Fred died here, sent love from his family. Ooh. I don't know who Fred is, by the way. Got a little monster there. Oh my gosh. And down here, and then we have a load of zombie heads from where people have died. They're watching over it. And you would come here, and you would meet there, but then you would go up here, and it's through a dark tunnel. Come out here, and whoa, and you'll go up there, and around here through another dark tunnel. It's raining outside, by the way, so it's even worse. And then you'll stop here, and then you'll just go out the same way as you're coming. So yeah, I've done some banners on the side of black, and yeah, and there's a spider there. So that's my ghost train. I will be doing the same thing here, so we would start here. Dun, 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 dun. Ooh, okay, so you'd put the thing. Actually, I'm going to ride this one even though I'm going to get stuck. Are you ready? Oh, let's go. Yeah, babe. Woo! And then we're up here, and it says happy there. That was awesome. So yeah. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you enjoyed. Let's go up one last time, but we're going backwards. Help. Help. So yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. Goodbye. Oh no, I can't get out. Okay, so here we go. Let's try and get out. Oh no, I'm not going again. No! Let me go!